on the display also we are kind of like whatever we are maintaining in the cakes or the desserts also we have all the FIFO being maintained. So let's go to the storeroom and check once.
No carton boxes in the stores.
Good. Have eradicated all the carton boxes.
Boxes.
There's no carton boxes at all. Everything is stored in the boxes only. So did you check the labels and everything?
Yes,
Expiry
ma'am,
dates.
everything is.
So we also have separate storeroom for food products and non-food products.
In the storage rack that we are maintaining, it has to be 3 mm, and from the floor it has to be at 6 mm.
So nothing should be on the
On
floor,
the floor,
and nothing should be touching as it is to the wall as well.
whether it is open or it is a closed packet. So everything has to be maintained in a box or any storage item. It could be crate, it could be a plastic container. It depends upon, but here we are using a plastic containers to store. Every opened item should have a date tag. Dry store items, we can give it to 1 month of date tag. Here we follow 1 month of date tagging.
We try to finish off within 1 to 2 weeks itself. At the same time, we kind of like don't actually overstock the things.
Glass bottles or any crushes that you have has to be stored in the last track of your storage area, so that you can prevent actually the breakage. The items that has to be used in before will be stored in front of that container, and the new items that has been received today or before one day, that will be stocked at last of the container. So that is how we follow FIFO here.
What about the records? How it's being maintained?
It's being maintained good, ma'am, but we have to cross verify. We'll have a look into it.
Come,
also.
let's go. So Reshma, also random brief about like what are the documents which has to be maintained for a.
So when it comes to non-legals, which are like cooling, chiller, freezers, temperatures, your cooking temperatures, your reheating temperatures, and you need to have a cooling hot holding food temperatures. If you have brain Marie, you have to have a temperature sheet separately for brain Marie also. So, and when it comes to legals and all, your vendor documents, as we are procuring from a different vendor, so we have to have vendor documents.
For example, for the pest control.
Pest control agreement, pest control schedule, their MSDS, chemical dilution sheet.
One thing which surprised me recently was we also have to have migration certificate for the packaging material. So that is also which we are maintaining as well.
If you are having weighing machine which is about 20 kilos or 30 kilos, you need to have calibration certificate as well as metrology certificate for your weighing machine.
With Reshma support and with INA support, so it's something that we are also trying to get our awareness on what has to be maintained. We have been doing it for months now, and this is an informative video for any restaurant owners who actually want to know on how it has to be maintained. Maybe just drop a comment. I would definitely love to share the information. Thank you so much. So that's about it for today.